Miss Marshall, this is my headache for today. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I got these kids under control. Me back here at 4? You got it. So, you guys ready to have a good time? For those of you that don't know, I made this dad. How you doing, Joseph? You're at my house all the time. You want to do the hurricane simulator? Son, your room is a hurricane simulator. Look, guys, I'm not lying. You should see it. Joseph, you slept over, right? Probably had to use a pizza box for a blanket. What's that? All right, kids. So when Daddy took Mommy to the bar... sorry about that, guys. Had to use the restroom. All right, so everybody ready for lunch? Okay, Joseph, what do we got? Lunchables. Okay, that's a classic. Ashley, PB&J. Okay, always peanut butter jelly time, huh? Son, come here real quick. Take this 20, go into the cafeteria, get us 2 cheeseburger combos, okay? Yeah, those sandwiches your mother packed us, get rid of them. This is what you want? Okay. Hey, son, come here. Why does your little friend over there look so sad? Her mom didn't give her any money. Jeez. Who's your mom anyways? Really? The one with the red Tesla? Oh, yeah. I've seen her. Hey, sweetheart. Look, don't even worry about it, okay? Just get whatever you want. It's on me today. I'm gonna give you my number later. Give it to your mother. Just tell her to give me a call, okay? She wants to talk about it.